Mingalawa. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Mamanai. I'm the founder and puppeteer of the Myanmar Marionette Theatre in Manali, established in 1990. Our theatre, formerly known as Manali Marionettes, stands as a beacon, preserving our traditional and unique puppetry. But my journey into puppetry wasn't always a posting path. Born to incredible parents who served as academic teachers, I, along with my siblings, followed the path of education. Little did I know that my destiny would lead me to become a puppeteer. The spark was ignited by my father, Gongdu Nyamaza Utainai, whose passion to Myanmar string puppetry fueled my fascination with this art form in my young age. My father's influence and the memories of visiting master puppeteers during my teenage years planted the seeds of inspiration within me. My father would always take me to villages as he interviewed master puppeteers for his book, Myanmar String Puppetry, in 1968. He won the national prize for his book at the time, as well as taking me to Shrivo Damon's famous puppet performance on various occasions. Years later, while teaching English in a small village named Dangdalo village at the end of Dadao Township in 1986, I was given an opportunity to further my language skills in Yangon at the Institute of Foreign Language for 3 months. This led to me being promoted to a GED teacher, and I was transferred back to Manali. This pivotal moment not only enriched my knowledge, but also sparked the idea of founding a puppet theater and culture show for foreign visitors. Then in 1990, I took a leap of faith and established the Myanmar Marionette Theatre, serving as an outlet for me to continue practicing my English through my interaction with foreigners. That same outlet was what led to me on embarking on a journey to revive and promote our cultural heritage through puppetry. So now today, I'm here, I stand before you, privileged and honored to share a glimpse of our artistry through a 5-minute performance of the Myanmar Marionette, a comparative dance between human beings and puppets. In the past, puppetry was esteemed entertainment in the court of Burmese royalty, and where marionettes were revered as lifelike human substitutes. The skill of a puppeteer could make human dancers be a great envy, inspiring them to create a form of dance imitating the movement of puppets. Now, please join me in experiencing the magic of the marionette dance, a testament to our rich cultural heritage and the enduring legacy of puppetry in Myanmar. Thank you very much.
Thank